Hey Mel and Sean, here I am at 9 Casper in Southport, better known as Boiling Spring Lakes. This is such a cute area. You are positioned on a nice big lot, so you have a lot of space between you and your neighbor in this area. And this home is adorable. These folks are moving back to New York to be close to family. Isn't this beautiful? Oh my goodness. Love the landscaping. They've done such a beautiful job. Really pretty. Here in Boiling Spring Lakes, you can park your boat, your RV on your property. There is no HOA over here. You've got your side load garage, beautiful landscaping. Look at the hydrangeas up here. So pretty. Love these plants. Yeah, this is what I want in my front yard. I'm gonna do that. It looks so pretty. Look how gorgeous. Oh my goodness. So pretty. I'm already so impressed with this house. It's really peaceful and serene out here. Let's go inside and take a look. Okay, so you come inside and you have this nice big open living area with fireplace. Really pretty. Your front door. This dining space is a good size. They're doing a puzzle. I love puzzles. Oh my gosh, I want to sit down right there and do that puzzle. Really nice. So, pretty fireplace with a surround. This leads out here to a screened-in porch. Really nice. So I'm just realizing that this was advertised as being on the golf course, but that fence behind the house obstructs your view of the golf course, just like in the house in Eagle Run. So I am not sure if having a golf course view is important to you, but this house does not. Great size backyard. With a great shed. That's awesome. And then you have this little room back there, again with all the plants. Aww. Got this pergola with the little lights, fenced in all around. Through here you have storage, lots of storage for beach gear and everything. So that's pretty awesome. Plus you have the shed over there. It's a rainy day, but it still looks so beautiful out here. You've got all the pool gear tucked here, back in the back. Everything's just really well thought out with this house. Oh my gosh, I love it. The siding needs a little bit of painting. It's a little bit of fading going on. Cute for the doggies. So cute. Look at little turtles. Love it. Cute, cute, cute. Look at these little plant holders. Adorable. I love it. Okay. You guys, I really like this house. Let's go check out the kitchen. Lovely countertops, granite countertops, cute backsplash. Is that real tile or is that, yeah, that's real tile. It's the little tile, so I wasn't sure if that was tile or those sticky ones. And then you've got a little dining nook in here. So much counter space. Look how much counter space, so much. You've got the under cabinet lighting as well. And you've got soft close doors and drawers. Samsung refrigerator. And you've got the Bosch dishwasher, which is super quiet. And GE stove and microwave. Over here you have a little pantry. Over here is the laundry room. Some more storage over here. That'd be a great pantry too. Over here is your garage. Access door. And an okay sized garage. You fit one car in there with the shelving over there. If you remove that shelving, you probably could get another car in there and you probably could do like a golf cart over there. They do have the electric car charger. Do you guys have an electric car? I don't know. So back over here, let's go check out the primary suite, which is tucked away over here. I'll shut this door. You've got this nice sort of nook before you enter the primary. That's got a linen closet here. That's useful. Added storage instead of wasted space. And you go in here into the primary. Oh, it's a good size for sure. And it's got a seating area over here with a full bath. So views of the backyard and the pool out the window. Nice. Here's your full bath. The same granite on the vanity in here as in the kitchen. Nice little bench area here. Towel shower. And a separate water closet. So no linen closet in here. You do have lots of drawers in the vanity. Back over here, you have your walk-in closet. That goes all the way back there behind the door. So nice size primary suite. Back out here, we'll go across the living room to the other bedrooms on this level. Here, you've got these laminate floors that go throughout. They're using this as an office. got a good sized closet in here. I love puzzles. I love puzzles too. And you've got a linen closet here, or they're using it as a coat closet. Oh, that is a coat closet. There's a linen closet right there, I bet. Here is your secondary bath. It's got a shower and tub combination. The granite countertops on top of the vanity again. You've got your linen closet here. Good amount of storage. And here you have your third bedroom on this level. They got the little doggies that need help getting up on the bed. So sweet. This room, you have a nice view of the pool too. That closet is blocked, but I'm assuming it's the same size as the closet in the other bedroom. Okay, so let's go upstairs and take a look at this area. So you come upstairs and you have a nice open area, bonus room, and you've got this full bathroom right here with a walk-in shower. So this is a good size room. This does have a separate mini split that's hanging on the wall up there. That's a separate unit. And then you have your access to your air handler over there and a tiny bit of storage here in the attic. Back downstairs. And that completes the tour of this house. What do you think? Oh my gosh. Obviously the pool is amazing. It makes it extra special. The kitchen is a phenomenal size. The living room has great space, and then you have a separate dining room and an eat-in area. Huge yard, so much privacy. You would have to hire someone to maintain your lawn when you're not here, but what do you guys think? Let me know. I kind of like it. Now these folks, they will not be able to move for a tiny bit. They are going to be purchasing something up in New York, so we have to time it up where they can close there, but I don't think you guys are in any hurry to close, and you have some time. So let me know what you think.